You always say
Oh wait, I'd like to introduce my friends that I pay. This is Kate. This is also Kate.
I'm underpaid.
She likes the name Kate.
Yeah.
And
all my
it's
friends
Chris.
have to be named Kate.
Oh yeah, my name is Kate.
My original name was Larry.
Yeah, we had to rename her
She's
because
a
I
Kate
only
fetish.
accept Kates.
I look like a man right now.
That's Kate number 3. That's Kate number 3.
Hi, sisters.
My birthday.
Say happy birthday to Kate number 3.
What?
Say happy birthday in the comments, guys.
Make sure to comment and also like and subscribe, please, because I only have 1 subscriber right now.
And it's me.
I have 1 subscriber.
So we on
And this is
that.
probably gonna make him unsubscribe when he watches.
I'm gonna unsubscribe. I'm joking.
Okay, good.
I blew out of the straw. Can your camera see it? Anyway, I blew out of the straw, and
Okay.
you know, we on that
Your favorite
grind.
song is Lucid Dream.
It's fine though. I'm fine.
I like that song.
Megan.
Oh my god, I
your
only listen
favorite
to
song is
X.
Jason.
I'm edgy.
Lucid Dream. I don't care.
So we're on our way to the beach, and
Yes.
yeah,
Tell them what beach we're going to.
we're going
to know
to
where I live.
Florida Keys, Hawaii,
Yeah.
and then Bermuda
Remember
and
we took
Aruba.
to European beaches in Spain
In Italy.
and Greece and Italy.
And Egypt.
Oh yeah, and we're going to Africa.
Egypt isn't it?
What? No, it's not. Egypt's in Egypt. It's its own continent.
Yeah, Egypt's its own continent, guys.
So basically, Victoria is trying to get some males at the beach. So we're all of us. Us girls, you know. We
Us girlies.
As females.
And yeah, and we'll do some pickup lines like you drop something. Your standards. Hi, I'm Kate.
Ew.
Maybe if I hold it against the window, you could like time lapse
You're
it.
gonna see where you live, and then you're gonna come to I'm pretty sure somebody
That's what
tried-
happened to
somebody
Emma
thought-
Chamberlain.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
But, like,
Hey guys, this has almond milk in it, so
that.
I'm coming for Emma Chamberlain's brand.
Kate, where'd your fly go?
Yeah,
Oh,
All right.
I didn't bring it. So, okay, here's the thing. Okay, so I caught a fly, and so it was on the ground, and it was pretending to limp. So I was like, okay, we're gonna get this fly, and we're gonna feed it. So I took like a scone, like a blueberry scone. I crumbled it up. I put him on like a phone case, and I had him eat it, right? I turned over, like we were just chilling out. He was in my bed.
chilling.
He was just chilling in my bed, right? And the fly decides to start hopping onto me. And I was like, sister, we're not doing this. And then I thought he couldn't fly because when I found him on the ground, he let me pet him.
Hey, yeah. Oh, don't we look good together?
Hey, I want to
In my boat.
hear that.
Yeah, no will turn hands forever. So tonight I'm gonna show you all.
She's alright.
So at the beach right now.
I look crusty.
Hey guys, so
we're waiting
eating.
for chicken nuggets and fries.
I tried.
So she got fucking strawberry ice cream. So we're at Ocean City right now. It's really beautiful. Yeah, it's great. We're gonna go on the boardwalk and we're gonna go to the ride later. We just got our nachos. Are they good so far? Are they good? Are they good, Kate? But
They're
are they
like-
good? She doesn't like them.
Gas station nachos. I like Wawa.
We got milkshake.
Oh,
We
yeah.
got
Really?
They got a really thick burger.
I'm gonna
And
eat it
then
all.
the other Kate got this chicken in the grind.
This is
And
so
then
cute.
I'm already almost finished my hot dog because, you know, I'm trying to get thick.
Do you know what?
Guys, wait, let me be in it. Oh my god, guys, we're getting this couple goals. I'm tired.
Okay guys, so we got matching bracelets and ankles.
guys.
Wait, where's yours?
We got matching ankles.
Oh my god, ew, my legs
She didn't put hers on
I didn't
because
put
she's
mine
a fat bitch. But we have ours.
Can I put it on you, Kate?
No. But yeah, we're cute like
Big
that.
Now we're at.
I look really kind of burnt. I kind of look like a pickle. But my skin looks
You're coming to church
clear.
tomorrow, right?
Yeah. I'm actually going to church, guys. We are holy. Pick it up, pick it up.
So now Kate's going pee. Chris is
Yeah.
peeing in the car.
Mm-hmm.
Looking thick
And
or whatever.
I'm sorry I didn't
Chris.
walk at the beach that much either.
Here, wait, watch out, watch out. Chris, you thick or whatever.
Chris looks dead. Wait, my phone's at 10%, so we're gonna wrap this up right now, I guess.
Well, guys, that was our
That's my
great
vlog.
day
I'll
at the
finish-
beach.
I'll do an intro
Hey,
and exit back
Not to
home.
steal Bailey's brand, but
Say bye to our van.
oh, say bye to the vlog.
I thought the ew. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so right now we're at a random gas station,
Hi.
but I mean the sunset isn't that good, but it's pretty. Like, it's cotton candy skies. But yeah, we're just chilling, and I just need content for my vlog because I haven't really been vlogging that much. But we're at a gas station, and we're pumping in that gas. What do you think, Chris? What do you think
What about what?
It's hot.
about my vlog?
Oh,
Would you subscribe like 7
Mhm.
times?
I'm already subscribed.
Oh my god, I'm so ugly. Okay, you know what? That's not even true. I wish I could like put this somewhere so I could bop out. Wait, I don't. Oh wait, you can. Wait. Hey guys, if you didn't know, Post Malone, I love him. He's my baby. Guys, we're filming a musically. My neck just cracked.
I want to
My neck. My back.
Lick mine.
Wait, look, ready? Look at my hand. Ready? Who's me? Who is she?
My neck doesn't crack.
I don't know. I think I like me looking like a tomato better. You with your other dudes. He seemed like he was pretty cool.
Okay.
Alright. Baby girl, what you doing with your hands? I just love that 50,000 in Japan.